So we're getting ready to actually Jeremy's been boxing for a couple minutes already this morning. You want to explain what happened over there? You want to show
something too hard and
so
right
there there's a jackfruit tree over where the punching bag is, and Jeremy ended up, this is actually a pretty good sized jackfruit. It's just kind of the camera's making it look kind of small. Look at it. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. He made that thing drop, and this thing just flew off the tree because he was punching that punching bag so hard. Yeah. Yeah. It whacked that. And it whacked that, and then it came out from.
Is attached to that tree.
Where is that even?
Yeah, you see right there. There's one other one up there. There's one yellow one right there. On your right. Yeah, right there.
Oh, there. Okay, I see. There's literal steam coming off your shoulders.
You can see it on the camera too.
You can see it on the camera. That's actual steam. Don't move.
It's not cold.
Just to show you guys. Look. Just look. You guys can see it, right? It's coming off his shoulders right there. There's nothing around him. It's just coming off of him. See, you can even see in the back right there. Morning. What is that? You're emitting heat. That's crazy.
I'm not. I'm just sweating.
Perfect.
Oh! Oh my God.
Is where we get fruits. Hello.
Well, where'd you go, doggy? What the? No, you just left. From a cult to a hospital.
Talagang nanay buwak.
There's a little dog.
Kadang mo, ano na, mabukaray na. Ano mo, bukaray na ba?
That's cool. You are the flower king. Believe it or not, that's real.
Papay kang ganun ang anak ko.
Dang, tilting the camera. Look at the ubi. Jeremy, ubi. It's your ubi. Look at that. They look like rocks. And Kuya Kicker is just holding. They're just buying a bunch of things to be able to plant. Where's that flower? Oh, it's right there. It fell. It's like in between. Come on, Flower King. You gotta protect your flower. Where is it?
This is my staff.
Yeah, it looks like a staff. That's crazy. Watch something like that'd be like a Venus flytrap and it opens. That would be creepy. If you guys would follow us over here, we're about to talk to Brother Frankie. I don't know if this has been talked about in our video at all, but he built this. Okay, this dip or whatever else you need to use it for.
Dip bar.
This
For
is more
shoulder.
of a chin-up bar.
Chin-up bar.
It's pretty close. Jeremy
That's
uses
the
this
pull-up bar.
as a pull-up bar because it's long and it's actually strong for Kuya Kicker. What do you call that? He reinforced it on both sides. Look, this is reused material that we had laying around here. Punching bag.
Sandbag.
Yeah, and it's pretty heavy. And now he's building the casing for the speakers that were hanging over there. Where like the
Hello.
Here he is.
Brother Frankie.
Because I don't know how to do any of this. I don't know how to build anything.
This guy is the everyman.
Yes. So he built everything here. On this corner. And he maintains everything here. Very
Yes. All the land from here to the front of the highway.
It does not
So
here. So we have like a pineapple thing going on here too.
yeah, we're legitimately growing pineapples right there.
But dogs keep coming
Right
and
there.
pooping.
There's more pineapples over there. Right there. Wait. Let me just.
Oh, he actually, nice. He cleaned it. Oh, we own all of this. Like
Straight
this,
through.
Like where that actually, if Jeremy could get a shot
Oh
over there.
shit! Oh shit! Coconut.
Be careful,
Yeah.
because there might be some old one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, Kicker's telling us to get out of here just in case.
Because of
but-
that lobby.
So that roundabout over there goes all the way to the highway. I'm not sure how many feet that is.
I don't know.
It's probably like 200 feet.
Yeah.
We own that entire driveway, but we let people walk and drive their motors through. But the rule is they cannot block
Yeah.
the thing as we go in and out. And then we own this stretch as well. So this is just about as long, well, a lot wider.
Yeah. For sure. We have a lot of plans for this land. Yeah.
3 years ago,
That was not there.
that was not there.
All this.
This was our walkthrough before. Like we got the motorcycle, the freaking tricycle. All of this was
Yeah.
not clean like this.
It's clean now. Just gotta be careful of these coconut trees. Look, little palm trees. Right here. Look, Randy planted this and a couple more. Oh. Did you break your leg? You okay? You
For
okay?
the video.
Is your foot okay?
Yeah. Something I'm out of
That almost would have been a big, nasty accident. Almost.
Jeremy got it on video too.
Look at this. I don't want to pick it up. That looks cool.
Yeah, don't touch that. I don't know what that is. And we got free range chickens.
Yeah, that chicken.
Oh, and then show them that thing.
Here, chickens.
Right here. There's a little rest area. KK built. All out of Kawajan. Again, we'll do a more like hefty house tour-ish
Yeah.
if you guys want that. So,
Look at this.
yeah.
Well, step up. What do you call it? Just put a musquetero. Yeah. Mosquito net. That's all you need.
It's like a couple of years to like really polish this place up, but it's moving along.
House looks cool from here.
Well, I saw that too. I was like,
Are you good though?
yeah.
Nice.
Homemade speaker stand. Look at that. And Jeremy and I went out earlier to grab these really like long extensions because this is like old school audio wire. There's that one. And then there's that one. I'm not sure how well this is gonna do since we have copyrighted music in the background, but it's okay.
Karaoke. Rocking car. House on fire. What's happening? So no.
What is going on?
Yeah, you're good to go all the way back. Yeah, you're good. Oh, okay. Why though?
What is going on? See, this is why we need like a camera crew because look, Papa Dong is right here.
Hi, Papa
He pointed
Dong.
that out. We
Hello.
were just listening to Quick Kicker doing karaoke, and then all of a sudden there's something on fire.
Sana?
Ano?
Ano naman na?
Gusto ng kabayan.
Oh.
Wow.
Uy.
Saan mo si Pista?
Yeah, dude, this is. Super big. Uh oh.